Hello again, welcome to another unboxing video. This is an unboxing video for my best friend, Airsoft Support Snark 1. He is getting this case. And yeah, I just want to do the unboxing because this is what my channel is about, yes, right? So, yeah, we got today's unboxing. I got the Corsair Obsidian ARD. Perfect case for any gaming or home computer build because it's elegant, but it has all the gaming features. So let me find a knife here. There you go. And unbox this. The packaging is cardboard, and it has all the main specifications about the product itself all around the box. And yeah, stay tuned for another unboxing product. So stay tuned for that. And so as you can see, it has pictures all over the box. Shows you everything. Front, you know. So yeah, let's unbox this. Not to cut too deep because you don't want to hit the case. Well, that wouldn't be a problem because you didn't hit the case because there's a lot of styrofoam in here to make sure that nothing happens to it in transport. So this is very good packaging, very good. But this is such a heavy case, I will be turning this box around.
Not meant to disturb, but be careful with that because I want to transport my computer in that one. So.
Yeah. Yes. Whoa, it was bigger than I thought actually. My half X just looks tiny compared to this. Yeah, compared to his old case, it's like
it won't even fit under the table.
Yeah, that's a problem. Oh.
Wait, what happened?
Styrofoam. Not so heavy actually, my half-X is heavier. Whoa, that's strong feats. Oh. So let's peel off all this protective thing in the front here. Oh, it's a big one here as well. Wow. Seems like we have to take off the side panel before, or take off anything else before I have to take off everything of this plastic. I can see that because it's fastened behind this front bezel. So we've got a little production error here, which can be fixed by pushing it back. Nothing big. That's a lot of plastic, but they're supposed to protect the case, right? So it's just, yeah, protection and make sure nothing happens to this beauty. So I believe I will have to take off the front bezel, which I guess you can just pull from the bottom, I guess? Or some clips on the inside. Well, it's a little quite cold, so it attracts my fingers, as you can see out here. And here's also some accessories inside the case. For example, this ear duct, I guess this is. And stop, do not return this product to the store. This is Corsair warranty.
What? There's a lot of scratches in this.
It's the plastic, you can wash it.
Nope.
Yeah, and the accessory box. We got quite a lot of cables. Oh, thankfully. I think that's the extension cable we got there. What the hell type of plastic is this? There we go. Well, not the plastic that counts, right? It's the product itself. So we got this extension cord, I guess this you can call this. Yes, it's a little extension cable to make sure that you can, if your power supply 4-pin or 8-pin isn't long enough, you can just plug in this and we'll drag it all the way up. We got some USB, I guess, yes, these are USB 3.0 converters because they are 3.0 headers inside the case. And a lot of serial ATA cable, black, love it, and this special plug to make sure that you can connect everything. Yeah, I got some grommet, little rubber here to put between the fan and the case to prevent vibrations. Got some rails for hard drives. We also got screws and cable ties in a green bag. Eco-friendly, right? So the inside is huge. This is also have my own cover there. So let me just find out how to. It is actually just a pull. There we go, I can take out the rest of the plastic. Hard work doing this plastic job. I don't blame them. They just want to protect the product before you get it, so you're a certified customer. Yeah, this is heavy as well. This is very heavy to be a front bezel. Yes, and here's where you swap in your hard drives. You just put on the rails and you just swap them in. There's the hot swap module, but let me just put this right back on. And love it. Yeah, so this is basically the case layout. It's massive, hard rubber grommets compared to my half X, but I guess these will do just fine. And there are a lot of them. Love it. There's a lot of them to route cables to make everything nice and tidy. And you also have a 140mm to cool down that hot swap, those hard drives, and another 140mm down here, and another one at the back, so you get plenty of ventilation. And it also supports triple rad in the top, so very, very good. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Me unboxing this beautiful case, and check out my airsoft support. Check out my best friend, Airsoft Support Snap 1's channel, and yeah, subscribe to him because this is his case, you know. He's really getting into this gaming world with the gaming computers and stuff. So, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.